Hello, hello. I'm going to do part one of a set that I designed. I've got a picture here on my tablet. A client showed me a picture by a woman in Australia, and I can't remember her name, of crazy funky nails like in that with that sort of theme, and I loved them, so I had to have a play and bring you something bright and fun to have a look at. This is Boarding Pass. All the colours I'm using are Gel Perfection. So that was so opaque that I only gave it one coat, and now I'm just doing a wibbly wobbly band of Blackout. I didn't want any sharp harsh lines, so just wibbly wobbly was the goal. This is Picalilli Circus, so I half cured Blackout so that I could then put these colours up next to it. That's Summer Vibes, I think. No, it's Palm Beach, or is it Summer Vibes? I'll say in the description which it is. So I can do a colour above and below the black, and then half cure those and do a colour above and below. You know what I mean? You know what I'm trying to say? I've thrown myself by looking away from the screen, and now I don't know where I am. Who am I? So this is Bubblegum. Again, just wibbly wobbly, uneven. I'm really aware that I just like screamed at you. Sorry. And this will have a half cure as well. And then I mess up here, and I'm really annoyed. I should have kept the diagonal angle here and then filled in that bottom left bit with another colour, but I went straight across. And now I'm annoyed, and I was annoyed while editing it, and I'm annoyed now, and but it's done. What's done is done. So that's more Picalilli Circus, and that purple was from the new colours collection. It's called Violet Vibes. And then more Alaska, and this is the last bit for the wiggles, I believe. And just adding, it's a cross. I was going for a star, and normally I do a dot and then drag up and down and left and right, and you get a sort of star look. I don't know why I didn't. Your guess is as good as mine as to why I did that differently to how I always do them. But anyway, I'm adding some dots and some bigger dots just to sort of break up the black and go for a sort of space kind of look. Not that that looks anything like space, but you know. I'm now taking, so that all had a full cure, now taking Picalilli Circus on a dotting tool there. Oh yes, and I added some Summer Peach because I had that out as one of the colours to use and forgot to put it in that bottom bit. So I'm just doing some petals here. I do sort of every other one so that I can do them all without having to flash cure them and then go and put the rest in. So instead of like doing one, flash curing, putting one next to it, flash curing, I've just done gaps between them, although the gap I'm about to leave is not the same distance as the other gaps. I don't know why. It does cause me a little bit of an ish in a bit, but it's not too much of an issue. So they were cured, and now I'm just popping some other colours in there. No particular order, just yeah, whatever, wherever, really, wherever. So this purple one is a bit more portly than I had intended, but it does get rectified and it looks okay, I think, in the end. I'll let you decide. Just adding a little star with Alaska. Doop. And then I'm outlining the petals. Once you've done the first one, you've just got the top and one side, and then top and one side, and so on and so forth. And I left a gap because I actually drew in the blue petal because I wanted it to be the same thickness, same height as the other petals. And I do rectify the purple petal, the portly purple petal, by moving it over towards the green. Could have moved it over towards the white, but you know, logic was clearly out the window. And then just squeezed in a blue petal, and nobody has to know. Don't tell anyone. So just finishing the outline there, and then go around the centre. So now all the messy bottom bits of the petals are gone. And outlining the white star, I messed up one of the arms, I'm going to say, that bit there. So I did go back in and just go over that with a bit of white. And here's the best bit. Wait for it. Wait for it. He's alive! And now he's a happy little flower. Look at him. So there you have it. I'm topping with diamond gloss. Don't know what this is called. Just a happy, bright design that I hope puts a smile on your face. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel for lots more videos. And tune in tomorrow for part 2 of this set. I'm going to do all 5 in that design. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.